Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate South Carolina Bennington dealer. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 22LSB Tritoon with a Yamaha 150. Exterior panel textured is black. Interior is granite with a carbon accent. I'll show you the interior here in just a few seconds. Just wanted to show you the outside real quick. It is, of course, full Tritoon package. SPS with a Yamaha 150. Got the bamboo flooring. Inside you got two portable cup holders. You can move those around the boat to wherever your guests are sitting. Come on up to the captain's chair area, swing back, stowable table there. And then on the port side, lounge, kicker speaker upgrade. About 80% cut out, diamond pressed upholstery, very nice. Walk to the back of the boat here. This one does have the co-captain's lounge. Another kicker speaker upgrade right there in the 80% cut out, diamond pressed. This boat does have your RGB lighting and stuff in the floor, so it's got nice LED accent lighting. It's got the upgraded captain's chair. Again, the swing back up here. Stowable table. This one does have the Rockford PMX2 upgrade. It's got the Simrad Go 7 in it. It's got your navigation, chart plotter, fish finder, depth finder, all your Yamaha gauges and all right there as well. Again, this is a 2023 Bennington 22 LSB Tritoon with a 150, located here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.